Hey guys, welcome back to How to Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Fiat 500 and your door does not open from inside guys, stay with us and we'll explain what are the top 4-5 reasons for your door not to open from the inside guys. We'll cover everything from start to finish. One of those reasons guys will be the reason why your door does not open from the inside. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos, and on Fiat 500 we'll have probably close to 300-400 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful and that way we can keep making these free videos. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools that we use in our videos, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can buy all that. We share all that for your convenience guys. So this is a Fiat 500 2015 guys. It's a BART, but doesn't matter if it's a BART or not, the procedure practically will be the same. Let us show you guys okay what I'm talking about. Now first let's get the door panel here guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you. We removed the door panel, so that will be on the channel as well. One thing guys, okay, this is the cable that attaches to the interior door handle. This cable guys, if that cable is loose and it's not attached to the interior door handle, okay, let me show you quick okay what it looks like on the inside. Okay, that cable is going to attach okay right here. It goes in, then you close that thing and the white bracket of the cable slides in here. If it's not attached and if it's loose, what's going to happen? Okay, you're going to pull the handle, but that cable will be loose and it will not pull guys. So this is one of the reasons why your door may not open from the inside. Second reason guys, it could be a broken cable. Ours is messed up right here, you can see. Third reason, it could be loose from the door lock actuator or a bad door lock actuator. We'll go ahead, remove ours, and we'll show you what it looks like. If you want to see the door lock actuator replacement video guys, we have it on the channel, check it out. So we'll go ahead, remove it and show you what it looks like. So this is guys the door lock actuator. That's what it looks like once we removed it. Okay, this is what is opening your door from the inside. Okay, that cable goes inside and it pulls a mechanism, and if it goes bad guys, actually it quits working. Sometimes they have internal problems and you have to replace it. That's why we wanted to show you guys with removed. If you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, part number, so please check it out guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.